Thursday. See cloud bubbling up, winds out with risk 1 or 2 isolated quite sharp showers this afternoon. With the heat of the day, they could be quite thundery and slow moving as the wind is light. Maximum temperature though warm between 20 and 23 Celsius. Overnight the showers will fade, we'll get some clearer spells, very similar to last night as a result. We'll see some western fog patches developing. Minimum temperature again quite lovely between 11 and 14 Celsius.
And with the BBC Radio London travel, Lewis Gillingham. Thanks, Matthew. A reduced service is in operation across London's public transport network. On the tubes, a quick overview: 2-minute service on the Victoria Line, 4-minute service on the Central and Northern lines, 5-minute service on Bakerloo, Christchurch, Jubilee and Piccadilly lines, and a 10-minute service on the Circle, Hammersmith and City Metropolitan lines, and also on the DLR as well, with no service on the Waterloo and City line. Also reduced service on London Overground. The advice from TfL continues to be you should avoid using public transport if at all possible, and if you do have to use it, then avoid the busiest times, which is right now and in the afternoon peak as well. Also, face coverings must be worn throughout your journey as well. Elsewhere on the trains, there's a broken down freight train at Nunhead this morning, and that's causing delays and cancellations on Thameslink and South Eastern Railway. They're having to divert their services onto different lines. They've cancelled quite a lot of their services, and the ones that are running pretty late as well. On the roads, it's slow on the M25 anti-clockwise from junction 25 at Enfield to junction 24 at Potters Bar. That's due to roadworks. Battle Tunnel is queuing northbound towards the Woolwich Road flyover, and the A406 North Circular is queuing westbound from the A10 in Edmonton to Green Lanes in Palmer's Green. Lewis Gillingham, BBC Radio London. There's more travel in the news at 7:30.
Vanessa Feltz.
Weekday mornings from 7.
Call 0800 731 2000.
BBC Radio London.
Social media was bristling with videos yesterday of queues outside shops as many stores reopened.